we see talk about Ask Concierge AI. Is a powerful AI assistant designed to help user to find quick answer, book service and manage tasks efficiently. It works like a smart personal assistant and provide recommendations, handling reservation and offering instant informations. It is a great way, and I love to talk about this, which is a fantastic. And Ask Concierge AI image having personal assistant available 24 by 7 to answer your questions, book appointment and help you to find answer. Why not give it a try? Experience convince AI, and AI make your daily life smoother. And would you like to me further your audience? So we can see here he is a different considers your. We can connect it to the email, Google Drive, Microsoft, Notions, Twitter. Number of ways are here. uh, okay, now upload files and enable the skills. Here is this. So we can connect it if we want to YouTube script, that YouTube script, a meeting plan. Okay, now if we use this, so we can enable to connect it this. So write latest news today. Okay, now let's see what will be happen. Okay, here is this. Here is this is 7 March and latest news is this. Here are some latest news: South Korean, international news and US news, all these things here. We can check it out here. Health and life, aspirin and cancer. Studies suggest that taking daily low dose aspirin may prevent some cancer from spreading. Hindustan Times. Okay, now we will be click indirectly, we can their page Hindustan Times. Transport, and here are some follow-up suggestions. What are the major politic event happening today, and how are global environment issue being, these things we can connected. Okay, we can ask, we can research and recent also. If we research, okay, the topic is here, we can research discovery something new, create customs, Wikipedia style research. Here are the some things that we already see here: businesses and technologies. Okay, now here is sport and word. What types of research you want to do it, that we can create it. And I want to show you the best thing is that. Okay, now let's ask. So here is the all the models are here, so we don't have to worry about one by one we have to sign up. So here are the all the models are here, we can use it, like Perplexity, DeepSeek, ChatGPT, and Pro models also here, Sonnet, okay, Gemini, Grok, Coherent, and different types of model. Okay, if we use the Perplexity, so here is the Perplexity. If we just ask the questions, that the thing is that it will be the model we can use is, so it's bypass the Perplexity AI, then we can use it. The best thing is here, we can use in free space. We can create the free space. Okay, create a workspace that is a free name of organizations and my select and create organization. That is a free, and we can create a customize our own and create personalizations things. Okay, now it is a great and best things I have ever seen here, so it is a good, you can check it out here. In this, the link is below in my descriptions, you can check it out here. If you are in a new in my YouTube channel, please subscribe and like and share in your friends and family. Thank you for watching it. Till then, take care.